hung up. Hold on. Might have just been fishing line. I'm not sure. Yeah. It's fishing line. Sorry about that, guys. This is bonkers, man. Come on. Yeah! I am so sick of being snagged. Call? Call right now. 15, yeah!
50 user, baby. Yep, it's it. That's the one.
$150,000 fish! Yeah! Yeah! 1 2-pounder. I've released 8,000 of them here. Is that them?
Yeah, Randy. Yeah, we just got a call from Keith's judge. They have caught a legal keeper, 15-inch fish.
Is the fish caught?
Wanted to call and let y'all know the tournament is now over.
Okay, thank you. All right, bye. Yep, called it 15.
Keith had a great tournament, you know. I mean, like I said, I fished flawless this week, and when you still get beat with those kind of weights, you know, I was averaging 25.5 pounds a day, then, you know, the guy that beat you deserves it.
Well, I'm almost free for a plan. It ain't never easy. Anything good, never easy.
I've won before. I've been doing this long enough to know that when it's your time, you'll win. And it wasn't my time. Again, I understand that, you know, and the best cure for it is to keep your head up and just keep fishing.
Let's go the way in and get